My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another and my last unboxing for the month of June. It is going to be my Play by Sephora box. So yeah, I, to be honest, have been really disappointed in my past few Sephora plays. Like, they at one point were like my favorite subscription box, and just like over time I'm getting repeat products and I've just gotten really disappointed with what I've been getting. So I'm not as excited as I usually am about opening this, but I do want to see what I get because I need to make a decision soon on whether I'm going to keep getting it or if I'm going to cancel it. So if you would like to see what's in my June box, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And don't forget, I still have my giveaway going on, so I'll put a little link up there if you have not entered yet. Alright, let's get into this one. Alright, so this month's theme is Destination Beauty. Alright, so this month it is in this similar like plastic bag. It's just orange instead of red, excuse me. So let me go in order. Okay. The first product is this Tarte Babusu Found Sealer Skincare Foundation in 16S, which is Fair Light Sand. Found Sealer, so they did a little play on words. Instead of foundation, it's found sealer. So I'm assuming it's a foundation and concealer in one. Alright, it says, the only thing that needs to work hard while you're on PTO is your foundation. That's why this multitasking formula is a first-class favorite. So it says, oh wait, no, it's just saying how to apply it with different coverages. Okay, so it doesn't really say if it's a full, medium, or sheer coverage, but I want to say, because they're claiming it's a foundation and concealer in one, that it's full coverage. And it does have SPF 20 in it. And how much is in here? 0.17 ounces. Alright, let me see. Sometimes Sephora gets my shade right, and sometimes it's like way off. I would actually say that is very close. I definitely think that's going to be a good match. Or a good match. So it does look like it is full coverage. It's not a very thin formula, but it's also like not very thick. I am super intrigued by this. I want to find out more about it because I honestly have never heard of it before. But to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of Tarte foundations. So it retails for $39, and so it says it's a vegan, blah, blah, blah. Okay, coverage medium, finish radiant. Okay, I will definitely try that out. Alright, I am excited for that. Alright, the next product, this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Original Berry. This lip mask is the bomb. I have a full size, so this will be going in a giveaway. This is such an amazing product. Like, I have never felt anything like this, and there's nothing that is comparable to it that makes my lips as soft as this does. So here is what it looks like, and I use this all the time, like not just at night. The next product I'm really excited about, it is this Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. Number one, it has like two of my favorite things, rose and coconut, and three, hydrating. Like, yes. So it says, for an instant vacation, combine soothing coconut water, youth-boosting hibiscus, and toning rose, then mist skin like there's no tomorrow. Ooh. Okay, so it says, post-cleaning, generously mist face and allow to absorb. Huh. That's awesome. So I guess it's kind of like a essence and a toner mixed in one. I'm really excited to try that. Why are they not giving me prices on this new pamphlet? I don't like that. It does smell like rose. I smell the rose definitely more than the coconut. The next product, it's one of the products that I do not mind getting duplicates of. It is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. Oh, I love this product so much. I think I have purchased the full size, I want to say 3 times now. And I am so excited that I got a mini because I'm going on vacation soon, so I will be able to take this with me. And it says sunflower, ginger root, turmeric, and papaya. It's a cleansing balm that removes all makeup and leaves skin feeling silky smooth. It really does. Nothing. Let me backtrack. This and the Drunk Elephant cleansing balm are almost identical, but nothing takes my makeup off like those two products. I have to use one of them to remove my makeup, or else it, like, there's a trace of makeup left behind it. It's just like, it's pointless trying to use anything else. And the last product minus the bonus is this Sephora collection All Day Hydrator, Hydrate and Glow. Okay, so it has hyaluronic acid in it. And, okay, hyaluronic acid, vitamins E and C, and glycerin. I was actually eyeing this on the Sephora website because it was like $16 for a full size, and I just love like illuminating moisturizers or like glowing moisturizers. And I was like, for 16 bucks, that's not bad. But Sephora products can be like a great bargain, or they can just be a waste of money. It never seems to be like in between. They're either great or horrible. So I'm always a little hesitant about buying them. So I think it's awesome that I can try it. And my bonus is, alright, we got this Chlorine Anti-Pollution Shampoo and Conditioner with Aquatic Mint. Ooh. So it says it's a purifying shampoo and conditioner. For the chlorine like shampoos and conditioners I've tried, I like for the most part. Some of them are just like, but they're decent, and if it's a bonus, so I'm not gonna complain. Wow. Overall, I think this is a really awesome box. Like, Sephora came back. Where have you been? So I did get 2 repeats, but they are like 2 of my favorite products, so that does not bother me one bit. And the other 3 are products that I have never tried, but are definitely products that I would use and I'm really excited to try. So let me know what you think about my Play by Sephora this month, and let me know what you got in your Sephora play. Alright guys, well, this is another video filmed after I've been working all night, so I'm going to go take a shower and get some sleep. Alright, I love you guys. Busy and say R.I.P. Aaliyah, R.I.P. R.I.P. Aaliyah, R.I.P. That's exactly what this sound like. A to the M to the L-I-Y. A-H, give it up 2 times, then give it right back, don't blow my high. Keep that green up and look at my life and look at yours. Get some ambition while you bored. Time will never wait on no man. Society will never hold your hand. Niggas like to gas up like bitches. Got me thinking you don't like bitches. Wonder what's behind them red bands. Eyes of a coward, I understand.